Creator's intent. For over 50 years, Sony has pushed the boundaries of high image quality for professional cameras and filmmaking. Our aim has always been to enable creators to faithfully convey the images in their mind. Sony OLED reveals realism in every image. Unique panel control technologies mean colors are more vivid and more beautiful in every scene. Individual objects are remastered, restoring true-to-life textures. The color in individual objects is analyzed to create images with a depth far closer to reality. Picture Processor X1 Ultimate. It brings home ultimate realism. Unique technology turns the entire screen into precision speakers, completely immersing you in every scene. Creator's intent. Sony brings the creator's vision into your home, so nothing comes between you and their story. Sony brings you the ultimate viewing experience.